Um, Article 13, mitigating circumstances. The following are the mitigating circumstances. Number 1, those mentioned in a preceding chapter when all the liability in their respective cases are not attendant. Number 2, the offender is under 18 years of age, over 70 years. In the case of minor, he shall be proceeded against the accordance with the provision of Article 80. Number 3, the offender had no intention to commit so grave a wrong as that committed. Number 4, that sufficient provocations or threat on the part of the offended party immediately proceed the act. Number 5, that the act was committed in the immediate vindications of the grave offense to the one committing the felony delicto, his spouse, ascendants, or relatives by affinity within the same degrees. Number 6, that of having act upon the impulse of so powerful as naturally have to produce a passion or of suffocations. Number 7, that the offender had voluntarily surrendered himself to a person in authority of his agent, or they had voluntarily confessed his guilt before the court prior to the presentation of the evidence for the prosecutions. Number 8, that the offender is deaf and dumb, blind, or otherwise suffering some physical defect which thus restricts his means of actions, defense, or communication with his fellow beings. Number 9, such illness of the offender as would diminish the exercise of the willpower of the offender without, however, depriving him of the consciousness of his acts. Number 10, and finally, any other circumstances of the similar nature and analogous to those above mentioned.